Hi Stampers, this is Dawn, and today I'm going to do a quick tip and show you how I made this border for my card sketch number 37. Isn't it beautiful? I used the Tranquil Textures Sprinkles, and it looks just like sea glass to me. I don't know, I just love it. But I want to show you how I did that today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here are the sprinkles. Aren't they beautiful? Hopefully they're picking up on camera. Okay, so really super easy. You're going to laugh on how easy this is. But what I did is I took the mini glue dots and my paper piercing tool, and I'm just going to pick up a glue dot just like that. I'm going to place it right inside the sprinkles, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put this right onto the card just like that. Isn't that easy? Now you could also use the tear and tape, but I really like the way the glue dots were easy to manage where I wanted to actually place them. But if you wanted to use your tear and tape, let me show you here what you can do. You can just add your tear and tape along the border. So then you're just going to go ahead and peel this off, backing, and then you're just going to dip this into your sprinkles. Just like that. So I would continue down that edge there. But the mini glue dots and then also the tear and tape. So that's a quick tip for you. I also have all the measurements for this card sketch number 37. If you want to check that out, I have the link below in the description box. And then also I have all the supplies listed below for easy online shopping. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. And also don't forget to click on the bell to get notified of when my videos are uploaded. Okay? All right. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.